Good afternoon. In this video, we are going to walk through Good afternoon. In this video, we're going to walk through downloading census data, both geospatial and tabular, online. First off, from slide 4 here, we can follow this link to census.gov/geographies, which I have open here. So open this page. We're going to work off the most recent geographic files. If we scroll down, we will get to a place where we can download information for large tracts of the United States. In particular, we're interested in this census tracts data. You may be in a place later on in the semester where you need to get census block group data, but for now we're just going to use census tracts. So I'm going to drop this down. I'm going to scroll down and select Maryland, and this should automatically queue a download of a zip file. I'm going to save that, and it looks like I did it twice. And I'm going to extract this file to my GIS folder, and I'll create a new folder called MD for Maryland, and I'll select folder and extract. All right, so that has downloaded my shapefile data. Next, let's go back over to our presentation here. We are going to focus on downloading tabular census data. In later videos, we'll work on processing both the geospatial and the tabular data, but right now we're just focused on searching for the data itself. So if we come here to data.census.gov and open up the advanced search window, we can create a set of filters that will allow us access to tabular data. Now, there is an unbelievable amount of information stored here on the census, and some of these tables that we're accessing will have hundreds or thousands of columns and tens of thousands of rows. They're really, really big data sets. This is a new website. That is a major step up from how we were even doing it last semester. So we're excited to be able to play around with some of this. So our first filter should be on geography. I'm going to click on geography here. And then I'm going to scroll down to, we have nation, region, division, state, county, tract, block, group, block. I'm going to select tract. I'm going to scroll down to Maryland. I'm going to select Maryland. And I'm going to check this box here. All census tracts within Maryland. And what I see pop up here is that I now have a filter on my data that's filtering out data that only for census tracts within Maryland. Next, we're going to add another filter. We're going to select topics, populations and people, and we're going to select language spoken at home. You'll notice that a second filter gets added down to the bottom. This is really helpful if you're filtering multiple items, multiple geographies, multiple surveys, multiple years, etc. So you can really get a sense of how you're filtering your data. Once we've got everything we've liked, which in our case is Census Tracts Maryland, language spoken at home, we're going to click search. And this is the table that we'd like to have, this language spoken at home. So if we click download table, we'll be downloading this for 2018, and we're just going to click download. It will prep, and then when it says download now, we click download now, and it'll queue the download of a zip file. I'll click save, click on the file. I will extract all of that to my GIS folder here and click extract. And there we go. Now we've got both of those items downloaded. In our next video, we'll talk about prepping those CSV Excel documents. The video after that, we'll talk about prepping our geospatial files. See you soon.